Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will compare Zoom and Google Meet in 2025 to figure out what is the best video call platform for remote workers. If you're looking for the perfect video call platform as a worker, then this video is definitely for you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's get into this. Google Meet aims to make the user's experience as pleasant as possible. As a Gmail user, starting a meeting was easy since there's an option to navigate to Google Meet on Gmail's Google Workspace toolbar. Once you're in a meeting, both apps give you everything you need. Which interface you prefer will be fully personal. But users found Google Meet's settings to be easier to navigate than Zoom's. Here's Google Meet's general settings interface, and here's Zoom's. While they may feel overwhelming and complex at first, Zoom's numerous settings are appropriate considering the platform's advanced features. For example, Zoom allows you to connect an additional camera to your meeting and even share that camera's view when you share your screen. Surprising absolutely no one, Zoom and Google both have AI meeting assistants. Both Zoom's AI Companion and Google's Gemini have the ability to email auto-generated meeting recaps to invitees. Google seems particularly proud of Gemini's ability to create AI-generated background images from user prompts. It's a feature that, while innovative, comes across as a bit gimmicky. But Gemini also brings some practical tools to the table, like the ability to step in for you in meetings you're not able to attend. Despite these controversies, Zoom provides hosts with advanced meeting management features that take its commitment to security seriously. For example, Zoom hosts can password protect, set up authentication profile restrictions, and add waiting rooms to their calls. Plus, Zoom gives hosts a lot of in-meeting capabilities, like muting the audio or disabling the video of individual participants. Much like Google's other set of web-based tools, Google Meet sessions open as browser windows. There's no desktop app interface. Meanwhile, Zoom offers desktop apps for Windows, macOS, and Linux that users can use to launch and join meetings. With that information, you can easily decide which app fits your needs and what works for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.